Guys, this is Dr. Komedi. Hope everybody is doing good. I will record Independent Challenge one more time because you guys were saying that you couldn't hear anything. Okay, let's do it. Let me share my screen first. Okay, so Independent Challenge 1. Let me open the student file. Okay, so let's see what's happening here. The scenario here is you're the operations manager for the Chicago Arts Alliance. Each year, the group revisits the number and types of activities they support to better manage their budget. For this year's budget, you need to create a chart to document the number of events in previous years. Okay. So we started Excel, we opened it. So first things first, let's go ahead and save this. So file, save as. Okay, always in documents. And I will change the name. Excel module 4, Independent Challenge 1, Chicago Arts Alliance _ your initials. Let's save it. Okay, let's go step by step. I'm on page Excel 100 in the book. Take some time to plan your chart. Which type of chart or chart might best illustrates the information you need to display? What kind of chart enhancements do you want to use? Will a 3D effect make your chart easier to understand? Okay, let's see. So we have different plays, dances, poetry, comedy, and talent shows for each year. Okay, and we want to compare them. If we want to compare from year to year, definitely a bar chart will be better. If we are comparing 1 year, just the events within the year, a pie chart will be better. Okay, so I think we are going to do both of them. Create a cluster column chart for the data. So let's do that first. So let's select the data, insert, chart. Okay, so that's our clustered column chart. I'm sorry. That's a chart title. What chart title? Stacked column, sorry. And this is clustered column. Clustered column, stacked. There's also a clustered column, okay. A stacked area and clustered bar. So there are different options which are suitable for the data we have. You can even do a line and compare or scatter. So we will stick with the clustered column chart. So let's say okay. So the chart is created right here. So you can see the chart design opens up. You can play around with the colors here and change the colors if you want to whatever you want and things like that. And you can change the way it looks and give it a 3D effect or whatever you want here, okay? So let's say change at least one of the colors used in the data set. Okay, so we'll just change one of it. So we can double click on one of it and change the color. Let's see, color, fill, solid, and let's change it to something else. Okay, that's what they wanted. So like that, we can specifically change each and every one if you want. Make the appropriate modifications to the chart to make it visually attractive and easier to read and understand. Include a legend to the right of the chart and add chart titles and horizontal and vertical axis titles using the text shown in table 4-3. Okay, so let's see. we will take the chart title and change that and put the title Chicago Arts Alliance. Okay, we can make it smaller, bigger, you know, to make it fit. We can play around with it. Let me adjust it. Okay, let's adjust the font a little bit smaller so that it will fit. Okay. Vertical axis. Okay, so we can kind of change here to see where the data is coming and where the information is coming actually. They want us to change what? Vertical axis title, number of events. Okay. Vertical axis title. There is no title here. Let's see. There might be other styles where the titles are listed. There is no title here. Let me see. Nope, we want clustered bar. Right there. Okay, quick layout. Okay, we want that one right there. See, we have we want the vertical, horizontal, and the legends on the right. Okay, so perfect. It's under quick layout, guys. Okay, so let's click there, and we want to change the vertical x-axis to number of events. Number of events. And we want to change the y-axis to types of events. Types of events, okay. Rest of the years. Okay, so if we want, we can make this a little bigger now. Okay, and let's go ahead and change one more color, just so that you'll remember how to do it. Solid, and just change the color to whatever you want, basically. Okay, that's how it goes. And if you want to change the layout of it, quick layouts are right here, and we can change it. If you want to change all of the colors, you can just quickly go here and then, you know, play around with those and change whichever color you want. Okay, that's taken care of. And let me move this aside so that, oops, sorry. Let me move all of this. So basically, when you come onto the chart, you can just hold it and move it like that. Okay, so don't do it when you don't have that plus sign there. Okay, create at least 2 additional charts for the same data to show how different chart types display the same data. Reposition each new chart so that all charts are visible in the worksheet. One of the additional charts should be a pie chart for a appropriate data set. The others is up to you. Okay, so let's select one of the years and do a pie chart here. Okay, insert. Again, we can go into the recommendations and we want a pie chart. Say okay. Okay, so that's our pie chart right there. Okay, let me move it so that it won't overlap with the one we have. Okay, and we can change it to whatever we want. You know, you can play around with the layout and the designs. Now you can change the layout if you want. You can even make it 3D. Yeah, so like the one which is in the book. Okay, so you can hold on to one of this, what is it, pie pieces, and then you can just move it a little farther, you know, to kind of highlight or show whatever you want to show, basically. So depending on what you are trying to do. Okay. I don't like the colors on this one. Let me kind of change that. Okay. Okay, we need to create one more chart. Let's see. Let's do another comparative one. Insert chart again. Which one shall we use? Let's see. Okay, play around with it, guys. You can use whichever one you want. The book has this one right here and then 3D option. So we can do that. Or we can do the line chart. I think I like the line chart better. I will go with the line chart, okay? Okay, make sure this is turned into that plus before you move it. Okay, make sure you see all of it. Okay. Okay, so let's change the titles here as well. Okay, so just like that. And we can say type of events in the bottom if you want, or we can kind of, you know, make it a little bit of 3D. We want the title to be there. Let's see. I like this one better. Let's change the title one more time. Or maybe let's do an undo. Okay. Okay, maybe if we want legends can sit on the other side, you know how to do that now. So we can kind of go and change. Okay, so that it will look neat and clean. Okay, modify each new chart as necessary to improve appearance and effectiveness. The sample worksheet containing 3 charts based on the worksheet data is shown here below. Enter your name in the header. Okay, so let's see. How do we go? We can change the layouts. Okay, page layout. Yeah, I came into that one. I don't know why it was giving me trouble. Okay. Okay, so let's put the title of the exercise here. Your name and the date here. Okay, whenever you're doing it. Okay, come back to the normal view. Okay, so let's make sure, I mean, we did not use any formulas here, so we are good. We can just save it one more time just to make sure everything is saved up. Okay, documents, and I have it there. I say yes. Okay, and I can upload it now. Okay, so I will close this one so that I can upload the video for you guys. Okay, so I will talk to you guys with the next video soon. Bye.